phones are coming. Jio has joined hands with Itel, Lava and Nokia. Jio is working with various feature phone makers like Itel, Lava, and Nokia to fulfill their objectives. Let's know the details. In fact, Sunil Dutt, president of Jio's devices division, said in an interview, Jio aims to bring around 25 crore 2G mobile users under the 4G network. Our company is working with various feature phone manufacturers like Itel, Lava, and Nokia to fulfill this objective. Simply put, Jio is currently encouraging the aforementioned brands to make their own version of the JioBharat 4G feature phone. There has also been a positive response from companies in this regard. That's why Mukesh Ambani's company is busy working with Itel, Lava and Nokia to develop the new JioBharat feature phone. In this case, the software or features of the upcoming phone will be similar. However, size, form factor, and color will vary. According to Sunil Dutt, Jio has joined hands with Itel, Lava and Nokia so that the upcoming JioBharat 4G feature phone can make a good place in the market and reach more customers. Notably, this feature phone series currently includes JioBharat V2, JioBharat K1 Carbon, and JioBharat B1 models, out of which the price of the first two models is Rs. 999. But the latter model is comparatively expensive, i.e. 1299 rupees. This is because JioBharat B1 offers better features compared to other two phones. Best of all, affordable 4G monthly plans are available with each of the mentioned models. For example, Jio is currently offering a recharge plan of 123 rupees, which comes with a validity of 28 days and offers a total of 14 GB 4G data, 500 MB daily, unlimited voice calling and 300 SMS. Also provides access to JioCinema and JioSavan apps. This same plan can be used for a whole year for 1234 rupees. We expect such recharge packs to come with the upcoming JioBharat 4G feature phone to attract more buyers.